This is the journey of Sid and Nicky, and how they achieved their dream careers in design and architecture. Meet Sid. Sid studies in class 12 and resides in a metro city. He is interested in pursuing a career in design. He aims for NID and NIFT. Sid is creative and possesses the required aptitude to crack the entrance exams. Sid's parents are also supportive about his passion. They have enrolled him to a reputed coaching class in the city. But his coaching class is overcrowded with students, and he gets no personal attention. Commuting to and from to the classes wastes a lot of time. Holidays and any extra time is consumed in school homeworks and class 12 board tuitions. This leaves Sid with huge stress, little energy and no time to focus on his entrance exam preparation. He starts to doubt his chances of getting into NID. How to prepare. Meet Nicky. Nicky is in class 12 and she aspires to be an architect. The small town she lives in does not offer good coaching classes or any other platform where she can enhance her skills. It is impossible for her to attend classroom coaching in faraway cities as she also needs to focus on her class 12 studies. Nicky does not know how to prepare for architecture entrance exams. How to prepare. Sid and Nicky come to know about Mosaic Institute's video coaching. Both enroll for the classes immediately. Now they can prepare for NID and Nata from the comforts of their homes. They find the coaching very interesting and helpful as all the videos come with narrations and explanations. They can install the Mosaic app in their tablet or smartphone, and can access the videos with supporting ebooks 24/7. They can pause, replay, relearn the videos any number of times. Sid does not need to sit through long lectures. He loves this new way of learning. He now has more control over his study schedule and he does not have to juggle between back-to-back tuitions. Sid finds Mosaic video coaching very helpful and interesting. The videos covers key topics prepared by expert teachers which helps Nicky improve in her weak areas. Nicky can access quality education even from a remote small town. Sid cracked NID. Nicky cleared Nata with very good marks. She is now studying in one of the best architecture colleges in India. Sid and Nicky realized their dreams. What about you?